I'm Khulekani Msweli. I'm a designer by training. I'm trained in fashion design and art. So I'm a designer and artist, and I live here in Vuvulane. Well, the Vuvulane Food Market, which you can see just behind us, is a concept which has now been running for a year. So we started in January 2019 as a concept of trying to bring healthy food to the public, but make it accessible, make it fresh, and try and offer as much as possible organic food to the public, whether locally living in Vuvulane or any tourist passing by. It's been an interesting journey, as you asked, in terms of how do I transition from being a designer and then now having a food space in the middle of nowhere by the side of the road in Vuvulane. So I think that was something which was going to happen at some point, where I believe what I do as a designer is something which speaks to my general lifestyle, where I'm always one of those people who's always advocating for a holistic way of life, which means healthy living. And even if you are the clothes I design, it's about making sure they are ethically sourced in terms of the materials. So it's about a holistic way of life. And it then culminated in having the food market as just another extension to my creative endeavors.